Tonight, I'm making spicy fried chicken. You need 2 ingredients for my homemade spicy fried chicken. Those ingredients for all you Mexican son of a bitches out there who watch my videos. First, some Royal Farms famous chicken. Tastes so good. Next, we need some Frank's Red Hot wings. Buffalo hot. Yeah. First thing you gotta do is microwave that fried chicken because I had that for lunch yesterday. Next, you gotta put on some Frank's hot sauce. Just a little, because it's extremely spicy. There we go. And that's all, my folks. That's all. Got some chicken. Got some spicy sauce on the sauce box. All you gotta do is rip that chicken off, that bone. You know what you gotta do for all you fried chicken lovers. Just a little bit, then eat it. It's amazing. Next, we're eating chickens raw.